Hello everyone! This is a recording of one of our private lessons with an advanced student. We analyzed and discussed the poem Touris, Pran Pòtre by the poet, author, and playwright Felix Morisseau Leroy. The video will start with an introduction by another Haitian author, Edwidge Danticat. She will give a little introduction and afterwards read the poem. Please note that the reading is going to vary slightly from what is actually written in the poem. We also recommend that you actually watch the video, therefore you can follow along with the notes. However, feel free to just listen. Enjoy!
My name is Edwidge Danticat. I'll be reading two poems by Felix Morisseau Leroy, who is a legendary Haitian playwright and poet who wrote primarily in Haitian Creole. He died 10 years ago in Miami, but he would have loved this evening. The first poem is called Touris, Tourist. It's an ironic response to tourists who take pictures of poor, dirty people in poor countries. So next time you take someone's picture while you're on vacation, someone who looks poor and dirty and hungry, this is what they might be thinking. Touris, pa pran pòtre. Pa pran pòtre touris. M'tro laid, m'tro sale, m'tro maigre. Pa pran pòtre blanc. Monsieur Ismen pas content, non? M'tro laid. Koda kwa krasé, m'tro sale, m'tro noir. Blanc. Appareil ou pas content. M'tro laid. M'a pété kodak là. Pa pran pòtre touris. Quitte tranquille blanc. Pa pran pòtre bouik moi. Bouik ici pote trop chay. Bouik ici trop petit. Bouik ici pas manger. Pa pran pòtre bête moi. Touris pa pran pòtre kay là. Kay moi c'est kay paille. Pa pran pòtre jou pas moi. Jou pam c'est kay te. Kay la tout kaze touris. Al tire pòtre palais. Al tire pòtre bicentenaire. Pa pran pòtre jardin, pa pran pòtre chare, m'pa gen char, m'pa gen machine, m'pa gen tracteur. Pa pran pòtre pied bois. Touriste, m'pied à terre, rad mwen tout chiré. Malè nèg pa gade blanc. Mais touriste, gade chevem. Koda kwa pa habitué à coulem. Coiffeur pa habitué à chevem. Touriste, pa pran pòtre. Ou pa kompren pose mwen. Ou pa kompren nan affaires touriste. Give me 5 cents. Et puis, elle fait chez mon touriste.
Ok, ou ka di, eske gen ken bagay ou te kompon?
Oui, m'te comprends pile. Et ça c'est première um first time, première fois. M'te pensé vraiment, m'te gen yon chance pour m'te capable penser sous sentiment l'autre moun yo. Les nap visiter pays pa yo, les nap prend photo nou yo. Et peut-être ça fait montre que m'pas pensé sur ça déjà parce que moi j'ai déjà visité Haïti 2 fois et oui, m'pas vraiment réfléchi sur ça déjà sentiment peut-être sentiment l'autre moun yo m'te juste là m'te prend un fil photo yo en fait ça vraiment intéressant mais est-ce que vous pensez ça dépend de moun nan parce que c'est pas tout le monde qui pauvre dans Haïti, oui. Donc, est-ce que vous pensez si moun gagne l'argent, yo gagne une belle caille en comparaison de l'autre moun yo, peut-être yo même yo à l'aise pour capable. Qu'est-ce que vous pensez?
Dapre sa m li, lèm tap gade li, pou mwen mwen kwa se fason touriste nan pran foto an. Se pa ton pou li mèm ni nan foto avèk moun nan. Se la pran foto an kom si son spektak. Et puis spectacle nan se moun pov nan. Wow, gade jan moun yo pov. you know, même si nan ke moun ka pran photo an, peut-être li pa vle, se pa don pou la panse an ken bagay mal, men bon sens de supériorité que yo gen la ka yo, like, wow, kade jan moun yo pov. Et puis, même moun ki kap cherche charité pou moun pov yo reme pran photo kon sa. Yo tellement pov. Ou même ou gen kek ti bagay, bayon ti ki choy. You know, se pou rezon men kwen nan fin poem nan, li di, give me 5 cents, et puis al fè chez moun. Bon. C'est ça ou pas le fait. You know, y a pas photo, you know, oh my goodness. Et puis après ça, peut-être y a ba un petit bagay. Ou li di, d'après ça, moi, ouais, c'est pour ça, moi, li tan pou, c'est façon wap pran photo. Si ou même, ou là, wap juste passer temps avec yo, et puis, ou de prendre photo ensemble, ça c'est yon bagay. Ou bien peut-être prendre photo yo là, y a fait un bagay qui fait que yo content. Mais si on juste prend photo yo pendant y a juste vivre, et puis yo pas peut-être pas ou permission pour faire ça, parce que imaginez ça, si ou non situation côté que ou pas contrôler, pas vrai, côté peut-être bagay ou pas bien marché pour your vulnerable state. Est-ce que tu as vraiment voulu un monde venir et puis la venir prendre photo? Et puis, moun se ou pas connaît qui sont pas le faire avec photo. You know? So,
Merci pour l'explication ça. Et en fait, moi remè poème ça. Parce que chaque poème m'a li ou bien m'attendait, si m'gen yon chance pour m'capable plus bien comprendre sentiment femme ou bien sentiment l'autre moun yo, ça c'est un bel bagay. Merci en pile.
pas de problème, pas de problème. Yeah, l'idée était vraiment intéressant, so, m'était qu'à regarder l'ensemble. M't'a pensé alors, m'était regardé li, donc m'était peut-être, yeah.
Et ça, c'est un bagay moi t'as aimé partager tout ensemble avec Marine parce que li remè poème yo, juste en général, et chaque fois, les joignent une qui vraiment intéressant, les partager ça avec elle. Li toujours aimé yo, ça fait le penser plus tout sur sujet et tout ça. Donc, moi, pral mandel, lui-même, qui j'en li sentil et plus passer ça, est-ce que li pensait quelqu'un qui vraiment pauvre dans le pays pâle, est-ce que li pensait peut-être yo gen même sentiment yo parfois? M'ta remè mandel ça.
Yeah, ça c'est bonne idée. Moi, mette dans Google Doc là, li même c'est traduction anglais, ça ou ka
Okay.
partage.
Okay.
Yeah, exactement. Parce que l'homme t'a fait recherche sur ça. Parce que pour moi, poème, premier bagay qui vient dans l'esprit, c'est, oh, poverty porn. Gon mot pour li. Gon mot pour photo ça. Poverty porn. Yeah.
Ça, c'est première fois m'te tendé ça. Poverty born.
Yeah, c'est ça lié, honnêtement. Et c'est, let me read the definition to you. It's easier if I.
Oui.
Donc, so poverty porn is widely defined as any type of media, be it written, photographed, or filmed, which exploits the poor's condition. And then in order to generate necessary sympathy for increasing donations, selling newspapers or media, or support for a given cause. As you can see, it's not for a bad thing, but exploiting the poor person's condition, you know, it's like,
Right.
you know, like they show poor kids in Africa with the
Right.
stomachs, won't you donate, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, those types of pictures, or like it's like what do you say? It's like they show you the stereotypical thing that you would expect from that, and they kind of romanticize the poverty in a way. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, and it like what's it? It looks like this. It's like it takes away, honestly, from those people and kind of like puts emphasis on the person taking the picture. Honestly, you know, in a way, like it takes away the word in English is agency. Après, peut-être nous qu'a dit dignité moun nan. Like, yeah, so that's the idea. That's what I thought. But qui sa ou men
Oui. Oui, d'accord avec ça. Mais qui j'en m'a dit, it exploits a person en créole? Qui parole est-ce qu'on est capable d'utiliser pour ça?
Prend avantage. Prend avantage sous. Prend avantage sous.
Prend
Avantage.
avantage.
Yeah. Di
Tout le
prend,
monde?
yeah, prend avantage sous moun.
Tout le monde. Prend avantage sur le monde. Well, merci en pile. Moi, vraiment aimé poème ça. En pile, en pile.
Pourquoi d'autres many? En rapport avec question que tu posée, hein, apparently, a ton of ways to talk about exploitation. You
Yeah.
know, the verb to exploit, the easiest way is like to say exploiter. Exploiter is
Exploiter. Okay.
the easiest one. But then there's a bunch of creative ways to say it. So let me just write this one before I forget. Exploiter.
Exploiter.
Yeah, with it's with the L. No, exploit. Exploit.
With an ES or an EX?
No, so ES, yeah, ESPLWA, exploit, and then de. Yeah, de, exploiter is the verb. Exploit,
Exploiter.
yeah. So there's other ones besides that. There's like abuser, but not really abuser in this case.
Exploiter.
It's funny. There's other ones, but I don't think it applies in these cases. There's like, you know, drive, casser bras yon moun, manger courage yon moun, passer en bas pied. That's a common one. Pile, pon yon moun pou PI.
For
Yeah,
PI? What does that mean?
PI is like, oh, c'est PI ça y est, so it's like something really, really cheap.
PI. Are those initials? Ça c'est initial yo ye?
No,
No, because that's English.
yeah, it's PIYAY. Yeah,
PI. Passer un monde pour PI.
yeah, it's quand yon moun pou PI.
Kon yon moun?
Prend
Oh, apprend yon moun.
pou PI.
Yon moun pour PI.
Yeah.
You know, m'pense c'est une bonne idée si m'te capable juste acheter yon livre qui gen expression sa yo en créole. Ça important moi pense. Est-ce que vous gen yon ou préféré ou bien est-ce que vous te acheté yon déjà?
Yeah, c'est deux dictionnaires que moi utilisé qui sorti dans c'est université qui te fait yo. They're priced.
Arizona?
No,
No.
this is I think this is Kansas University. No, Indiana University Creole Institute. Yon ti jan yo cher, mais honnêtement avec de ça yo, moi poko m'jwenn presque tout mon besoin yo la dani. Yeah, tout mon besoin la dani et puis yeah, li vraiment bay un pile choix. Et puis li bay bon explication. Yeah, nous te mette on list sur site web noir. Bon, just check pour si lien yo toujours disponible. Parce que you
Okay.
had d'ailleurs, nèg qui publie lien, li yon ti jan énervant parce que il pas, et tant que pas ouais valeur ça gen nan men nan, donc il pas mette en pile sous, il pas toujours mette en pile qui disponible. Man, the price
Oh,
went up. Yeah, sorry, the price went up for this one.
combien lié?
Kounya li 52,95.
Wait,
Yeah. Uh,
50, wait, 52, 80, 95.
yeah.
But you mean $5,295?
Oh, no. Sorry. So when you're telling the price of something,
Yeah.
and
Uh-huh.
so it's like you'll hear like a pause. I'll say 52, and then I say
Oh.
another whole number, right? 95. So it's basically it's like it's the dollar and cents. So I said
Mm.
so $52.95.
Oh, OK. On comprend. Yeah. OK. Mais ça pas trop cher. Ça OK. I
Yeah,
mean, si vous besoin li,
yeah.
besoin ça.
Mwen get a mette lien nan document wan, men get a mette li. E pi, di sou sit web nou an nan sens ke, like, e pa nou menm kap van ni, men sa mte fe, mwen te mette yon review, right? Kote mte pale sou dictionary kon sa ou ka deside. Men yeah, gen de la den de premye yo, toujou si je moun achete yo, paske yo vraiment utile. Regardez vidéo ou à décider.
Oui.
Yeah, and then the last one, ça vraiment dépendait au même. C'est un dernier qui c'est proverbe haïtien yo. That one's also really good.
OK.
I have that next to me at all times. Yeah. So all of that I put that on your Google Doc.
Merci en pile.
Oh, pas de problème. All right. I think that part is done. So, yeah, you can, if you'd like. Do you want to read the poem out loud or do you want to go to a transcript?
I don't know. What do you think? I don't know.
I mean, it seemed like you understood it, unless but we can read it to see if maybe there's like new terms that you wanted to know.
Yeah, there was like a few things where I was like, wait, what was that? So yeah, we can read it.
So let's do that.
Okay.
It's the only thing. It's like I'm still trying to figure out like where to get more Haitian poetry, because many poets, they wrote their poems in French. Not one of the few poets specifically made an effort to write his poems in Creole and in like pure Creole. It's yeah, it's hard. But I've been trying to see if there's other like poems that I can have access to, because his book, like someone actually compiled all of his poems into like from at least the four here into one. So I was able to buy that, and that's all of the poems from those volumes, I guess.
Very cool.
Yeah, so I'm like, if we can find other poets, that'll be great. But as it always is with anything Creole literature, culture, it's like you really have to search for it. Yeah. All right. Okay, so like I said, apologies for all the annotations.
We're good.
Yeah, but yeah, you can go ahead and read it.
Okay. Touris, Pran Pòtre. Et première question moi gain, c'est li te utilisé portrait, ça veut dire portrait, mais est-ce que photo, ça c'est même bagay exactement ou gagne une petite différence entre tous les deux? Ça vous pensez?
I think it means the same thing. It's just
Okay.
I guess the slight difference is more of like my likeness, my
Oh,
like something along those lines. But yeah,
okay, merci.
yeah, but it's just picture.
Okay. Okay, map continue. Touris, pa pran potrem. Pa pran potrem, touris. Trop laid. Laid, ça veut dire ugly?
Yeah. Hmm.
I hate that word. It's so mean. Okay. Trop laid. Trop sale. I'm too dirty. Trop meg. I'm too skinny. Pa pran, potrem blanc. Used for all foreigners, but here it seems literal, you say.
Yeah.
Like literally, it's mostly like the people with the light skin, not like they're not. Is that what you meant there?
Yeah, like blanc. So usually, we call everybody blanc. Anyone who's not Haitian, we call them,
Mm-hmm.
whether they're black, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
But in this
Yeah,
case, it seems like he's talking about people who are literally white, like literally Caucasian.
understood. Mm-hmm. Monsieur Eastman, pas content. Oh, I didn't even know that's who he was.
Me neither.
Eastman, okay. Trop laid. Like, is it saying like even he wouldn't want you to do this?
Yeah,
Like Mr. Eastman, he's
yeah,
not even happy about it.
yeah. Like you're misusing his invention.
Oh, that hits hard. Okay. Monsieur Eastman, pas content. Trop laid. Kodakwa va craser. Va? Ça veut dire, ça c'est un coupral.
Yeah, c'est un coupable. Like yeah, pral and ap and all that, but the va is it's kind of like saying apkaze, palkaze, yeah, kodaku, yeah. But it's just like uncertain as to when it's gonna happen, but it's bound to happen.
Va craser. Et les lap utiliser Kodak. Est-ce que ça c'est une autre parole pour caméra?
Yes. So c'est un pour like low manger céréales, but like le monde na moi ici à Palavo, y a dit oh what manger cornflakes. Mais
Even if it's Fruit Loops?
exactly. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Trop laid. Oh, I already read that. Kodaku va craser. Trop sale. Trop noir. Blanc paré ou pas content. Why do they think that the white people are not happy?
Actually, you tell me. I don't know. What's your thought there?
Like even you white people, like you don't seem happy either. Is that what it's saying?
Like
Paré? Or is that semblé?
so
Like
pare
that or no?
pare is oh man, I lost it because I was gonna tell you from before. Pare is your fellow white people.
Oh.
Yeah, your fellow white people. Yeah. So
Blanc paré ou
pare.
pas content?
Mhm.
Like
So
even like your fellow people don't want to see this either, kind of thing, or
basically, like, yeah, they won't be happy like with what you're doing. Yeah, they wouldn't be interested in seeing this as well.
Mm.
I don't know. Why do you think
Blanc
he said
paré ou
that?
pas content? I mean I don't know. I would think maybe the feeling behind it might be like maybe your fellow white people like they're not going to be interested in like these photos in particular
Oh,
because it's not anything particularly beautiful. It wouldn't be like fall under the umbrella of like beautiful photography or pictures of beautiful things. Like it's less than maybe.
oh, maybe. Yeah, but I didn't think about it that way. Yeah, maybe.
Mm. So pare, that means what word was that again?
Pare is like fellow, like so
Fellow.
blanc pare, so felt in the sense of that white people like you, blanc pare, the
Mm.
ones who are like you, or even like
Mhm.
when something you're doing something usually not good, and you're trying to involve someone else in it,
Mhm.
or try to say that they're similar to you.
Mhm.
Usually we'll say, ah, wap cherche pareil.
Ah, wap cherche pare.
Yeah.
Wap cherche pare. So, donc, ça veut dire, like you're looking for people to be up to the same mischief that you are? Is that kind of what it is? Wap
Yeah,
cherche pare?
yeah,
Or no?
yeah, yeah, exactly. To either be up to the same mischief, or like you're trying to like pull someone in to say that, like to kind of say that they are in on it too, like that,
Oh,
or
okay,
that they're
okay.
like you. Because sometimes literally you're just trying to like say something, and they're like, ah, cherche pareil, like you're looking for someone else that's like you, but it's usually like you to prove a point, or like yeah,
Mm,
or to be up to some mischief.
gotcha. Okay, merci pour ça. Okay. M'toled, where am I? M'toled, ma pete Kodak la. I'm gonna break the camera.
Yeah.
Pete.
And
Est-ce que violence la capable péter tout? Péter
cat.
goumen? Ça c'est juste une autre question moins gagnée. Est-ce que I'm capable de dire, like, does that kind of mean like broke out, like violence la te pété ou bien discussion te pété? Est-ce que I'm
Yeah.
capable d'utiliser ça tout?
Moi, quand on dit discussion, t'es pété.
Discussion. OK, ça c'est juste une autre
Yeah,
question.
discussion, t'es
Discussion
pété.
te pété. OK,
Yeah, gourmet, t'es pété, yeah.
OK, OK. Pa pran potre touris. Qui t'aime tranquille blanc. Pa pran potre bourrique mwen. My donkey, don't take a picture
Yeah.
of my donkey.
Mhm.
Bourrique ici, pote trop shy. That's probably true.
Mhm.
Bourrique ici, trop petit. Bourrique ici, pa manger. Pa pran potre bête mwen.
There you go.
Uh,
We're right here.
merci.
Mhm.
Touris, pa pran potre kay la. Kay mwen se kay pay. Pa pran potre joupam. Qui ça veut dire? Oh, first of all, kay pay straw house to me, but is there something different?
Yeah, it's kind of like straw or hay. Yeah, like just yeah, the ones that you imagine in your head, like where it's like those, and then it's like tied together, like those. Yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Say like straw house.
mm,
Jupa is. Let me see if I did I close it.
Joupa. Joupa.
Oh, hut. It's a hut. Yeah,
Oh, a hut.
hut.
Et qui ça veut dire joupa?
No, yeah, a hut.
Oh, that was the word. Okay.
Yeah. Jupa.
Joupa.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like that's
Okay.
a hut.
Joupam se kay te. Kay la tout krasé. Al tire potre pale. Al tire potre. Go take Pale's portrait? Who's that?
Yeah, so when you say tire portrait, it really is like take a picture, but I think it's just
Mm-hmm.
not used as often these days. You know, this is
Mm-hmm.
from like the 80s, 70s,
Okay.
80s, yeah. So yeah, al tire portrait, ou konen pale, kon ki sa pale an ye, pa vre?
Peut-être c'est un politicien vraiment important dans l'histoire haïtienne, yo, m'ba connaît.
Ah, so portrait, pale, donc
Uh-huh.
pale, c'est pale national, no? So it's like their version of the White House.
Oh, palais, palace.
Exactly.
Oh, palais. Merci en pile. OK.
Mm-hmm.
Al tirer potre palais. Al tirer potre bicentenaire.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bicentenaire. Mm-hmm.
Bicentenaire. Qui ça veut dire?
Okay, ça c'est shame. The
Bicentenaire.
shame. Hold on. The shame of me not being.
Bicentenaire.
Yeah, sorry, I can't.
Nah, it's cool. We can't know everything 100% of the time.
That's true. But this is what it used to look like.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So this was like a well-known place, you know. Yeah, Walmashe Bicentenaire, Wal Bicentenaire, like this is what the area used to look like.
So this poem was appropriate for this time with regard to this place.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's why we see, you know, why we saw là, on peut say Pran Pòtre moi-même. We saw like ou son touriste, al Pran Pòtre palais, al Pran Pòtre bicentenaire, like that.
Mm-hmm. Pa Pran Pòtre jardin. Jardin. That's hard to. Jardin.
Perfect.
M'pa gen chari. Ki sa vle di chari?
Shari, c'est like a cart. I know that, but let me check. Oh no.
Wheelbarrow?
Yeah, it looks like one, but yeah, it's a plow. A plow.
A plow.
Yeah, a
Chari.
plow. Yeah. It's
Like
funny.
tools for gardening, right? Like
I'm hilarious. As you can see, I have the same questions as you, and you know, like was super interested and just kind of wandered off and never realized that I didn't put it.
I love it.
Yeah.
M'pa gen chari. M'pa gen machine. I don't have a car.
And like machine, more like let me make sure. It's like I don't have a car, but yeah, there we go. Like a truck. Like this. Like yeah. Machine does mean car, but in this case, as you can see, it wouldn't really mean literal car because you see right away you said it, you know, tools for farming. So yeah. Oh.
Donc, ou capable utiliser machine pour tous les deux, quitte c'est un camion ou bien machine, même jodia là.
These days, I would just say camion, for like a big truck, and then for yeah, but they said I guess maybe back then in that context, that's how they would say truck for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. M'pa gen tracté. Oui, pa Pran Pòtre. Oh, I'm sorry. Pa Pran Pòtre qui est boam. Don't take a picture of my tree.
Yes. Yeah, you got it.
Touris. Pied à terre.
You know what that means?
No, I don't think I do. Foot to the ground.
Yeah, which means that you are like literally, yeah, pied à terre. So you're literally barefoot.
Oh.
Yeah, so pied, your foot is touching the ground. Pied à terre, barefoot.
I never knew that word. Okay. Pied à terre. Barefoot. Rad mwen, tout chiré. Like my clothing is messed up or shredded.
Yeah, yeah.
Male neg, pa gade blanc. Like suffering Black people don't look at whites.
Not really. Maleneg, so like the trials and tribulations of a Black person has has nothing to do with. Or has nothing to do with white people, or you can say doesn't matter to white people. Yeah, it's both of those. So you could say like literally, like, you know, oh sapagadim. Like the person says something, you're like, sapagadim, like what do I care? What does that have to do with me? Yeah.
Intéressant. Sapagadim. Sapagadim. Merci en pile pour ça. Okay. Male neg, pa gade blanc. Men Touris gade chivem. But Touris, look at my hair. Kodaku pa abitye a kulem. Your camera is not used to my color.
Yeah.
Coiffeu pa abitye a kshivim. Your hairstyle isn't used to my hairstyle.
Coiffeur. So in this coiffeur would be the person that does the hair. So the hairstylist. Yeah.
Oh, coiffé, and that's what that means, like a hairdresser,
Yeah,
hairstylist.
there you go. Hairdresser, yes.
Okay, so coiffeu
Mhm.
pa habitier avec chivem. Oh, that's for sure. That's interesting.
Yeah. Both of those words, both of those sentences, unfortunately, are still true.
And probably will be for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow, how interesting. Touris pa pran pòtre ou pa kompran pose mwen. Pose mwen? You don't understand my pause, but I don't think that's right.
Like just your pose, how the person's posing.
Oh, pose
Mhm.
mwen. Ou pa kompran pose mwen. Ou pa kompran anyen. Nan zafem Touris, gimme fay sens.
Like they're saying it with the Haitian accent. Give me 5 cents. Oh,
I read it. It's like, I feel like I understand this, but I don't know why.
yeah.
I
Yeah.
love it.
Yeah.
I love it. That's okay. I have my funny accent when I speak Creole. It's cool. It's just the way it is. Bam senkob. Epi ale fe chemin Touris.
Yeah. So be on your
This is
way.
the coolest poem I've come across in a long time. This is
Really?
interesting.
I'm
Yeah, I
happy
love
you
it.
enjoyed it. Yeah, so
Merci en pile.
Pas de problem. I'll share the screenshot of it in your document as well.